America's veterans deserve our respect and support. They've served our country bravely. Now, it's time to serve them. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can help. It's a powerful tool to help veterans transition to civilian life. AI can connect veterans with jobs, help them start businesses, and access the services they've earned. Think of AI as a high-tech wingman, ready to assist. It's not about replacing human connection, but about making life a little easier. Whether it's navigating the VA or launching a business, AI can be a game-changer for our veterans. Veterans have skills. Employers need skills. AI can connect the dots. Platforms like LinkedIn use AI to translate military experience into civilian terms. This helps employers understand the value veterans bring. Imagine an algorithm that says, hey, this veteran led a team in a high-pressure environment. That's perfect for a project management role. That's AI in action. It's about finding the right fit, faster and more efficiently. Veterans are natural leaders. Many dream of starting their own businesses. AI can help them achieve those dreams. There are AI tools that help with business plans, market analysis, and even securing funding. Need help managing your inventory or running a marketing campaign? AI can handle that too. It frees up veterans to focus on what they do best, leading and innovating. Navigating the VA or other government agencies can be confusing. AI can simplify the process. Imagine a chatbot that answers your questions about benefits 24/7, or an AI system that flags potential issues and connects veterans with the help they need. AI can also personalize healthcare for veterans. This means faster diagnoses, tailored treatment plans, and better overall care. It's about making sure our veterans receive the support they deserve, every step of the way.